ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning.
Basically what it is, it's a system that combines all of your business processes into one place so that you can efficiently manage your business.
Many businesses make the mistake of implementing individual systems for different parts of their business, and they would refer to that as best-of-breed software. Chaos Control and ERP takes a different approach to that, in that we look for an all-in-one solution to centralize a business's processes. That includes things such as CRM, which can be standalone, return management, which can be standalone, courier management, which can be standalone, but with Chaos Control and ERP, you're integrating that all into a centralized solution where everything can be controlled from one place. The advantages of doing that are that everyone is singing from the same hymn sheet, everyone is using the same software with the same interface, the same processes, and that makes you more joined up as a company.
So I think ERP can help you grow in the sense that when you're trying to manage a business and it's chaos, you normally lose sight of the bigger picture of what the business is all about. As soon as you implement an ERP system, everything becomes more streamlined, and naturally you just have more time to concentrate on growing it, as opposed to managing your staff, thinking of your accounts, thinking of what needs to be done, you know, tomorrow, in a month, in a year's time, whereas ERP just keeps everything streamlined and it gives you that time to really focus on what's important, and that is growing your business.
2 years ago, I recall a customer coming to me with a couple of problems, and those problems were that they were unable to manage their stock levels. They didn't know when they should be buying more stock and when to replenish that stock. And as a result, their turnover was suffering, their reviews were poor, especially on their selling channels. And so they came to us with those problems. Now, with Chaos Control and our ERP solution, we managed to help them take control of their stock management. We helped them to know when they should be buying more stock and from whom. And ultimately, this helped them to increase their sales and ultimately their turnover. Their business growth has been fantastic over the last couple of years.
I think most businesses should look into some form of system. You know, we generally see people coming through who, you know, one case springs to mind where a business scaled to 12 million turnover, just using Excel sheets, physical clipboards in the back of the warehouse. And that's really impressive, but you've kind of got to think, how much further could they have gone in that time if they had a system in place?
An ERP system is for every business, and it is something that is as important as choosing the right people to work for your business, because it will help you not only control your business now, but help you grow that business.
So when I think of automation within a business, I instantly think of the different job roles that can be adapted. So if you've got a person working in a warehouse that's doing really laborious tasks all day, when you introduce automation, their job instantly shrinks down and they can start turning their focus onto other jobs within the warehouse. So you're not necessarily downscaling jobs, but you're just giving people the option to change a 7-hour task into a 1-hour task so they can turn their focus to something more important.
Automation within ERP allows a business to save time. Time is one of the most important commodities to a growing business, and so making sure that that's looked after and that a business is efficient is really key to growth.
It's an interesting one. The future has got to be more efficiencies. The world we live in at the moment, the rules that we're living under, we've got to be offering something that allows you to pick more accurately, much quicker, right first time, orders that are picked, stay picked and out the door and don't come back. There's a lot of technology offering AI, robots, drone deliveries, all that sort of thing, and yeah, we've got to be right in the middle of it.
To understand the future of ERP, we have to look at where it came from. ERP originally was designed with stock management at its core, and that's true today. It's still a stock management solution at its core. However, over time, All-in-One ERP has been designed to cater for more than just stock elements of a business. It incorporates all aspects of a business, from CRM to sales order processing, general intelligence of a business and reporting, all the way through to reports and returns. So over the course of time, the solution has grown to include far more than just stock management, but it retains that at its core.